Welcome to our breakdown of how Kamala Harris and Donald Trump would handle immigration if elected. Each candidate has a distinct approach, shaped by their respective party platforms and priorities.
Kamala Harris emphasizes a humane, comprehensive approach to immigration reform. Her policy focuses on pathway to citizenship. Harris supports a pathway to citizenship for undocumented immigrants, especially Dreamers and those under temporary protected status, or TPS. She sees these groups as integral to the country and advocates for long-term security measures to support their legal residency. Ending family separation policies. Harris opposes policies that separate families at the border, vowing to create a humane asylum process that prioritizes family unity and reduces wait times for asylum cases. Reforming ICE practices. Harris seeks to reimagine immigration and customs enforcement, ICE, with a focus on transparency and accountability. This includes establishing clearer guidelines for ICE interactions with immigrant communities and limiting deportations for minor infractions. Streamlined asylum process. Harris's platform aims to expand asylum case processing to ensure fair treatment. She plans to increase resources for immigration courts, aiming to alleviate the current backlog. Support for refugees and asylees. Recognizing global displacement, Harris proposes increasing refugee admissions and working with international partners to address migration's root causes, especially in Central America.
Donald Trump's approach centers on border security, stricter enforcement, and limiting the entry of undocumented immigrants. His agenda includes border wall continuation. Trump is determined to complete the U.S.-Mexico border wall, emphasizing that physical barriers are essential for national security and to deter illegal crossings. Enhanced deportation measures. Trump's administration has historically focused on deporting undocumented immigrants, especially those with criminal records. He plans to continue and strengthen these deportation measures. Restricting asylum claims. Trump proposes more stringent requirements for asylum claims, favoring policies that limit asylum at the border. He advocates for a remain-in-place approach, where migrants wait in their countries or in Mexico for U.S. asylum proceedings. Everybody is looking for ways to improve legal immigration. Harris aims to expand employment-based and investor-based immigration, making it easier for skilled workers and investors to contribute to the U.S. economy. She supports increasing the number of visas for high-skilled workers and creating new pathways for investors to gain residency. Reduced legal immigration pathways. Trump intends to lower immigration numbers, particularly family-based immigration categories, advocating instead for a merit-based immigration system that prioritizes skills over family ties. ICE and border enforcement funding. Trump plans to increase funding and resources for ICE and Customs and Border Protection, focusing on empowering these agencies for strict immigration enforcement.
So, there you have it. Kamala Harris aims for a compassionate, reformed immigration system that creates legal pathways and supports families, while Donald Trump prioritizes border security, enforcement, and limits on immigration. Both candidates are addressing immigration, but their visions for the future of immigration in America are strikingly different.